Katnat Art and Culture Sarkar Jilla Kalapan Krea Ban Ajaka San Ekar Sek CRPF Bat Katnat Pulit Kejala Haniu Shillong Township. Habakran Hakilat Pathai Kubor Hadin Kejelang Umentri Badai Kemi Yaknat Art and Culture Uba Sanbor Sulai Uluong Baka Jingkemu Ajaka Eki CRPF Kalong Ban Penkrea Eka Katem Jengki Namolai Hapo Sisnem. Uluong Baka CRPF kan yo lai ekar bat Katnat Pulit kan yo ar ekar Kajaka Haniu Shillong Township bat Kenyatri Kamlang Naktai Kajaka Tang Baka CRPF kan hap haka jing penyai Katnat Pulit. Kuman Syukudo Balami Kejingdawan Naki Kenhun Paper Om Tang Namolai Bandawan Penkerea ya Katem CRPF Namolai bat Kani kan urulong Hapo Sisnem Laong Uba Sanbor Sulai.
It is a long pending demand of the people, not only of Molai, but what kasori berokoi kibaya kamtam yagi nong song jungi na po Molai pelun berokoi kaba lagun gajing dawa na ginong song leng baju seng balang ki seng samla ki SU FTGP ki wigi various organisation ban shift panueng la yaga tiga tikam tikiladun ki minute sa ki meeting ba mensuat kam kim la poi sei kala sulung tu tangala ya ngakot amta ya ka meeting ka balaya denlang ki he jong CRP kam jong CRP department nang yang police department kan culture te based on hagana ka city ka bumunchua ka department jongka and culture kita so chief schedule jongka government of Meghalaya haka arundru August last year aradar way te hangne kumbaki penpau ba kana ka CRP camp kabadan hanti apa mental jail hamolai kila set up 40 years ago sabo sem menchua la allowed yaki tengah apa ni kadi kuat tikiong ban kamlong available kitang le research apa department how do they allow to accommodate CRP camp apa premises di property jongka agriculture ante po mulai tambah kalau kat kubing tho jong kat gajing tho kat kumkan ka city kepala tho Ram Shakpal Singh DIG juga CRP te hangne u labatai ba kaladan kene kala set up more than 40 years ko ngamo but shishu haga last meeting haga por gidang long minister ba AL he te kaladan ka minor chuko meeting ka ba nagalega ki authority jonga CRP ki panjaka bandri allocate banweng ila di nakat nangte na pemulai they are asking sanpau akar kajaka chapo New Shillong Township kataru free of cost mapat free of cost based on dengan letter te hakalas meeting nang tu takasud hadin bakilaya kamdan ye kelas sudah nanti inspection kelas kutu tekai ke outcome mentakasi kalong ba ngalong concern bah kamu minister but on behalf juga MDE government ngalai discuss ru badu chief minister badu ba deputy chief minister ru iya kana ka issue ba ngahaban khot do deploy nomor ba ki babun ki nong mikmat ki dorbar sudong lani ki sang bahalang namular kalali kendu kumba lar I report bentan kalali kendu chief minister ki sedang geladat requesting ban reallocate ban weng no yak ni si CRP nantai te hoj ban suang jendak weng it's not a matter of joke te kasulong bahane kamdon ga justification ba ngahi ngalaong ba mde ban I disagree on the ground that what ki various department jongka state government do cuma bukan ki office kita still they are running their office on rental basis kibarang bukan ki department ki ba penyai ki office jongki haki building jongki private ki try ying de on rental basis ko bomut ki siu de bay way manu bunai ban penyai te ngidon kam jaka bun ki department ngidon kam jaka ber sina ki office la jong bagi kuatran jogi staff menta kini lagi pansan bawa ka taki kajing temu jogi bawa ra susu sana bawa kar ber kin wara susu kumba ar pula bu platoon iku apa tumbun su CRP le si CRP hang le te ya kebala adon ngidon hang le ke CRP kam kumba bitep ke CRP kam koton kowe hapo mulai haji ke mulai kepada jaka jengki bajan lal bagi yang umur number 1 kata number 2 kata kada apa bivaru kana ka ban harum office jaka municipal sagawai hati po puluh giladan tigit on what justification that you are asking more another 50 acres I did not agree ngamsha sanpo akar tong jong la jong melaban tagi di department jong la ada unta melaban ai tumen ai uta sanpo akar kataru free of course banaye tengah kalau itu uhe joki di mud la dabe dan kam ya jaga ne kata itu mewara na state government pet la jong gayu te ada course of discussion interaction te ngilewan bet Saka nomor ba higa taka jaka hang dia po mulai jogar an culture tidan bun ki proposal bengin sina hang tu namun taka jigi mentoy jigi ba ya auditorium ki cultural center nata training institute namun taka shat traditional dance kini kita don kuntu ibu bun bagi proposal tengila suya poi saka way in principle lalong agreed bangi mail san hoaka ngin pan sanakar gin ai tang sanakar kemud boot ya yo CRP bat ya ka home department mudik yegi state police kini song lang hang tu ha ya ka hakane ka po sanakar bat kiru naga jinglut ke jong lajong kin sna hang tu bat ka state police suka sna ya ka kam jong police state police department bat bagi state police kin control lagi yang tu. Jadi CRP kila agreed ba hadin belayo ya jaka catai siapa adu Shillong Township they have given the agreement within 1 year sisnem ban sina kajimpor kijing sina relatif imdai benong sina mtalada sisnem at least kila 84 ke bakin pendep lagi tei after officially allotted the land to 5 acres only for both the state police and the CRP kin sina ya kata hadin berada sina ki agreed ba hapo within 1 year bakin mida kin shift on antai la ya rayu baga department jongi kan kana ya budin ya kan budin ber sesong meni pembet baga home department nang tabat ke urban affairs department nang bertaban bakin officially ngin senang ya don ke meeting officially bakin aino keluar ngin sim kia keluar bakin aino ya bakin alat no yang jakat sadaka seki kenapa kiru kin wara ya fan la jong nagaleng di CRP kin sina ya kata bakin di bencana bat bahapo sistem kin shift no LD shatai alo but everything ki CRP wasantu kin control daki police juga state government gitu jadi kata bangila ya right that's why I disagree ngam ciblasha ngakligi bele yumi ya para usan ko aga bagi umi ko apa enhance ya ka company jongi kata enhance in other part of northeast in other part of India you already have 3 camp, one in Laujin Rio Nongtomai, one in Polo, one in Maulai Bridge cakap mipan ni ke kajian ni mentasi kalau tang banweng ya kinang tidak bawa mental lah sebentar mula hanya Melayu yang cakap siapa New Township teklatun kena agreement they agree kipan san buah akar agar kan guna kajing tu jadi arah 26 August 2021 untuk CRP we need 50 acre of land
ya ketika cakap yang arts and culture tak kat no ka area di occupy
hantai 2.86 out of 7 kan nyo akar kan dia baru ada jong cakap juga art and culture te lai accommodation yaki ar akar point 2.86 akar
Kan no kan simpor ya kan Sarkar bahkan an alot ya.
Ya apa itu mentang sidang meeting gitu ginang pakai lagi official di minor juga meeting gini juga meeting lalu mentasi nang tu we have to pursue with the home department nga apa nak home department ban ya kena horor juga outcome juga mereka meeting na tengah ban kot saya ke orban ru dan bertaga katrai jaga ke orban ya ban ya song sebab ke orban di department ru ban ya penbet lang ban penbet di hang dekla involve CRP police, home police, urban art culture. The guys kem bang along berpilih buat keluar di berkeluar dari kakam kepada long pending issue. To guys kem bangar unum bangan berkemas malah on this is very serious. But immediately you prepare all the documents. But minutes of job meeting as agreed by the CRPF within 1 year. After allotment of land within 1 year they will shift. Tekan eru pembiang proceeding kerang bahkan long in record officially begin sapa proceeding lagi department concern including CRP, Home Police, Art and Culture.
Lah dah bakat nak urban affairs kong kamnon jakanya kamna ablai kata ka.
Apa ini betul lagi betul juga ba. Latih kerang ya tiga jakapan ai. Ban sna ki office sarkar mentera ki jong ipat ba. Ka question belum ai galum arais. Ngiha nomor ngal ada background chief minister, deputy chief minister kalung positive. So that's why I'm calling this meeting based on my suggestion, my discussion, and I have highlighted all these issues with the Honorable Chief Minister and the Deputy Chief Minister, where they have given him a green signal. Yes, very good move. You pursue with the meeting, call the meeting, then inform me accordingly. Then we will jointly move this important issue for the interest of the general public.